Alright, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video I'm here kind of filming this, a little late, not that late, it's like 5 o'clock, but I'm here with a sneaker investment video, and I'm gonna be, that was the most interesting voice crack I've ever had right there. Then I started coughing after it, so I cut that out. But yeah, basically I'm here with my first sneaker investments of 2021, and I'm gonna be showing you guys them, so you guys could go ahead and invest in these ones too, because they're both gonna be making money. I feel like these ones are kind of obvious ones. I've actually pointed these ones out in videos before, and one of these I've actually already owned a pair of. So it's kind of something I'm just kind of going along with, again, since I already own one of these. So I hope you guys will enjoy. If you want more content like this, feel free to go ahead, subscribe below, and drop a like for more sneaker investment videos like this. Again, we do how to cops also, a ton of videos like that. So if that's what interests you, then go ahead, go subscribe and like down below. Yeah, also goals 200 likes. I'm pretty sure I already said that, but if we want to hit 200 likes on this video, that's the goal. We can go for that. And also down in the description of my Discord. So if you want to go check out my Discord and also my Instagrams, you're missing out if you aren't checking out my Discord at least. It's a really good time and it's helpful down there. A lot of good info, but enough said, long intro. Let's just get started. All right, so my first pair of shoes that I invested in right here, I have two pairs right here. Both of them are Jordans, and both of them are actually Jordan 1s. So I don't really feel like this is going to surprise anybody when I say Jordan 1s again are the shoe to buy this year. Nike has a lot of really great things planned with Jordan 1. Again, as you can see, the first shoe that Nike is really releasing this year with, I feel like, a good amount of hype. Hopefully I'm not forgetting anything that's dropped yet, or I don't think really anything's dropped yet that's been good, but they're dropping the Volt Golds, and that's that's a Jordan 1 right there, and that's kind of kicking it off, and those are going to be going for a good amount around summertime or the next year, so that's good to hold. But one pair that I got right here, again, this is the one I already have a pair of. I got a grade school size, a size 5Y pair right here, as you guys can see. I'll let you all check that out right there. But I got these for $3.90, so a little bit more below the market price right now. The market price right now on these Mochas is I think it's around $4.40 in this size. That's what I've seen a lot going for, and it's really continuing to go up. I accidentally just rip the wrapping paper, but that's it's not no big deal to rip into shoebox paper. But looking at that, this is here kind of the grade school size, again, size 5Y, so size 6.5 in women's also. But really looking into it, again, not size I can fit, obviously. But it's just another pair of Mochas, as you can see, and they're looking good. It's a dead stock pair, so nobody has worn these, nobody has put these on, which is a good thing. And these will definitely be a pair that I'll just be able to flip for so much more in the future, since Mochas are going to be, again, one of those shoes that by winter time, I mean, you hold this one for another 6 to 12 months, go buy your pairs right now. Again, they're kind of around that 400, 440 range. I've been saying buy them when they were at 280. I mean, I feel like everybody knows this is kind of the hold of the year, since it was kind of the shoe of the winter. At least that's what I was calling it, and I feel like other people are kind of calling it that too. They were just saying in terms of hype, not of the year, but winter. But it is a really great hold, and this one definitely, I feel like by 2021 winter, this one will probably be going, I'm thinking $600 in these grade school sizes, maybe $700. I'm really thinking that it could be even more, but I'm thinking $600, $700 is what they will be going for, honestly, in all sizes, probably those grade school sizes too. I'm definitely thinking that's probably overall all sizes, because even the adult sizes are going pretty close to the sizes, the grade school sizes. The adult sizes are selling right now for around 400, for 420. They've been going up a little bit, and people are saying we're going to drop after the Europe drop. They went up more, and that was kind of the funny one of the more funnier things about it, just kind of showing how powerful the shoe is as a hold. So please go and hold the shoe. It is definitely worth your time. And yeah, I'm very happy about having another pair of these, just kind of looking at them, and it's a nice pair of Jordans, very nice pair of Jordans. You can check out kind of that Mocha colorway right there, just kind of having another one in hand. Not trying to flex on y'all, but I want y'all to see kind of that material on it. It's nice, very, very well done. I appreciate it. And yeah, it's good. So I'll eventually be selling these for more in the future, and this is kind of, again, that first hold that I got right there. I predict, again, holding it, if you only wanted to buy pairs right now to hold them for 6 months, again, this is a quick hold also, and 3 more months it'll be going for 100, 150 more bucks, and in 2 months this shoe increased, it was $150. So let's say in the next 2 months it'll probably do the same thing, because this shoe, again, people it's going to cap out at 450. Well, at least I got my pair for under 400, right? But I don't think these are capping out at 450. I do not think that is happening. Just seeing how much they still are rising even after Christmas. Seeing pairs even on New Year's are flipping for starting to flip for around 500 in this size I got right here. The smaller ones, again, I'm feeling kind of money for these Mochas. So grade school sizes are kind of where I'd go. And hopefully I haven't talked about this one for too long, but hopefully I let you all check it out. And yeah, you know, I'm kind of happy to have another pair. I don't want to really repeat it too much. I'll let you guys check out the other one too, so you can kind of see that we got you know, that pair right here. But yeah, you know, we got some grade school mochas, and you know, they're looking clean. They're looking nice and spicy. So it's gonna be another investment, and we will be making some good money on this one, and I'm happy about that because I always like making money on my sneaker investments. And mochas just are most obvious. And if you aren't holding a pair of mochas, then it's okay. Maybe you're not into holding shoes, and I get it. But this one is money, so go invest. A lot of room left. A lot of room left to go up. A lot of money. And also right here, what I got is the Jordan 1 Court Purple. So as you guys can see, just to let you guys know that this is not anything unauthentic. I'm not gonna dox the guy his address right here, but he gave me the receipt, so I'm gonna show you all that these legit. These you know, the Court Purple OG you know, the 2.0s in a size 11.5, as you guys can see. So I just didn't want to show his address, but he got them from Hibbett, which is obviously one of the places where the Court Purples did drop. It's where the Pine Green 2.0s drops. Obviously the Court Purple 2.0s would drop there also. So kind of seeing this one again, probably why you could see the boxes in the thumbnail like different sizes, but this one again is a super clean pair. Like, these are really going to continue to go up. These have so much more room, and again, I paid $350 for these right here. I honestly need to start writing down all the prices and like make a spreadsheet, which I kind of do have one, but it's kind of it's messy. Like, you know, I know a lot of people be using Excel. I just be using like notes, but we need to kind of organize a little bit more. But this one is another one I'm very happy to add to that notepad as an investment, because there is so much room left for these Court Purples. I mean, this is such a clean shoe in hand. Like, I mean, I don't think anybody's gonna like, you know, kind of test me on that. I mean, trust me, I'm not gonna be like, how dare you quote, like, you know, I'm not like, I don't really care like that. I'm just saying, like, these are nice. They're really good in hand, and you know, those purple laces are looking extra spicy too. I would probably, you know, maybe try the purple laces on them, but kind of looking again at both of them. I'm gonna be more careful with the paper, the shoe paper, but looking at this again, both of them, you know, again, size 11.5 is like, I've just figured out, I don't know what it is, a size 11.5 is such a good size to hold if you can get your hands on it for the right price. I've been holding, you know, Dunks in size 11.5. There's like another pair of Jordans that got an 11.5. Like, I have, I think 3 or 4 holds in a size 11.5 or 9.5. Like, I have a bunch of half sizes, so 9.5 and 11.5 are sizes I recommend holding. But honestly, for these Court Purples, I'd recommend going with bigger sizes like 11 plus, or even just like 10.5, like 10 plus. You know, that's just kind of what I recommend. Maybe not 10, because 10 is, again, 10 and 10.5 are kind of like those sizes that have a lot more stock. 11, and especially like 11.5 starts to creep down with the sizes that have less stock but are kind of still like popular. Like, people are gonna, you know, people still buy an 11.5 in Court Purples, and you know, I'm not afraid to buy these for $350 right now, because that's what I did. And you know, I'm definitely seeing these ones continuing to rise up. I'm thinking in the next 6 months we might not see like too much rise. I'm still seeing them rising again, because they have been going up a lot. You can go check out the StockX chart, but the growth, I think, I don't really recall, because I haven't checked it in like a day, but I do know that this one is still going up. I think it slowed a bit, but it's still going to continue to go up. I'm thinking in 6 months it'll probably be around, I'm thinking 425, 450, maybe a little bit more. And then I'm thinking after, you know, 12 months, which is probably the length with which I'll hold this one, I think it'll probably be going for, you know, a solid little you know, 525, probably 600, maybe even more than that, honestly, because this is a really clean pair of Jordan 1s, and I think they'd probably top out honestly at like 500, but I'm still gonna be making some money on these. But I'm thinking like 500, 550, maybe even 600 is not something that's unrealistic for this pair of Jordans, because you've seen Jordan 1s go for a lot of money. I mean, shoot, I mean, there's plenty of Jordan 1s that are, you know, up there in price, so there's no reason why this one couldn't be another one of those, just as a retro again. And I do know that we have another Court Purple Jordan. I don't know why I had the accent there, the Court Purple Jordan. I do know that we have another one coming. It's like, I think it's sometime in 2021 we have another one. It's like a different version, and it is a Jordan 1, I believe. It might be a low, but there's something that we have with the Court Purple, and there's also a Dunk, I believe. So there's a lot more coming with the Court Purple, but that's not really going to affect the price of these, in my opinion. Just keep your dead stock pairs, because once there's less dead stock pairs of these out there, like really less dead stock pairs, I mean, these are going to rise. So my first 2 holds right there, we got the you know, the Court Purples, which are right here, as you guys can see, my favorite pair probably to hold right there. And then we also got the Mochas, which I mean, if I had to say which one I'm like most confident in, I mean, I'm very confident in both, and I know both are going to go up well. I'm just thinking Mochas is probably, you know, just Mochas are so golden right now. Like, I don't know what Mochas, who gave Mochas crack, honestly, like, you know what I mean? Like, these things things keep going up in price that people really be paying so much for those ones. But hey, people love the fashion. All the girl, everybody loves it, you know. All the girls, all the guys, you know, everybody loves the Mochas, and everybody's gonna love the ones in 2021. I see. Guys, get ready for Jordan 1 lows and get ready for Jordan 1 highs in 2021. That's all I'm going to say. But yeah, keep investing. And if you have any questions about any shoes to hold, any investments right there, go ask it down below. And yeah, let me know what you're holding in the comments. But let's roll that outro. Anyways, guys, if you want more sneaker investment videos just like this one, feel free to go ahead and subscribe below and also drop a like on this video. I'd really appreciate it. You know, we're just here with the late, you know, video kind of filming later today. And, you know, I'm happy. You know, we've been stacking a lot of investments lately. I think that was like my 13th sneaker investment we got in the last like 3 or 4 months. I think we've been holding for like 5 months at this point, actually. So I think 13 in 5 months, which is, you know, I'm fairly happy about that. That's a good amount of money put aside towards, you know, sneaker investing. And obviously, you know, we'll be continuing to hold more pairs. We have a lot of different pairs here, and they're going to keep going up, and I'm very happy about that. So I hope you guys will enjoy, or I hope you guys did enjoy, not will enjoy. But yeah, go join my Discord down below. Check my Instagrams. I'm pretty sure, again, I already said subscribe and like, so I'm not going to repeat that. But, you know, go check the IGs down below with my Discord too. Haven't joined that, you're missing out. But that's all I'm going to say. So I'm Tristan. Thank you all for watching, and 200 likes is the goal. But if we can hit that, that'd be great. But, you know, if we don't, it's not the end of the world. But I'm going to end the video. Peace.